welcome to DPA Product of the Year. Now, we've got something a little bit different. This product is actually the service that the company provide. So I'm very pleased to have Mr. Andrew Parsons of Apex Dynamics. Andrew, you have 3 minutes to demonstrate to our readers why the service is something they should know about.
That's great. Thank you, Andrew. Okay, so what I'd like to do is just really give you a little bit on Apex, just as a background. So we are one of the world's largest designers and manufacturers of precision planetary gearboxes, precision rack and pinion couplings, and automated lubrication systems, with a really impressive manufacturing facility of in excess of 200,000 square meters and complete in-house manufacturing, including gear cutting and the heat treatment. But with this foundation at the core of the business, Apex Dynamics offers a unique package to the market. So our products were designed and manufactured with several features and patents, ATEX within the design, special grooves, ring gear, cut directly to the housing. But the one I like most is our Apex single piece carrier design. The sun gear, where the main core of the carrier is manufactured in one piece, giving the best concentration and strength. And the sun gear fits directly into the carrier body on close from the bearings, maintaining the best concentration and tooth alignment for even torque transmission. So this design also reduces the bearing speed due to the sun gear being rotated inside the carrier in the same direction, which allows longer bearing life and less heat generation. So it's just one of the things that we offer with great patents and designs. And by having complete control of our manufacturing process, the quality of the products we produce, and our online design sites and tool for application checking, this gives us the confidence and ability to offer an unmatched, really 5-year warranty across our range. And over the decades, Apex has been manufactured, and they've fine-tuned the batch manufacturing process for cost and delivery, and have hundreds of thousands of gearboxes and components on the shelf for final assembly. And with our air freight consignments, this allows us to offer a normal lead time of 2 to 3 weeks on all our catalogue products. So with the confidence of having the factory processes, once we've received your order and the factory have loaded it into the production schedule and verified the dispatch date, we'll send you an order confirmation for the delivery date. Pretty standard, really. But the difference with us is that if we don't achieve your confirmed delivery date, then we'll give you the product free. And that's an offer I think stands out against all others. And within our range, from the economy P2 series gearbox to the high precision performance ranges, we have one of the largest drop-in replacement offerings, which match mounting profile and performance alternatives. Meaning when you're looking for an urgent replacement due to extended lead times, improved cost value engineering, or just knowing that you'll have high quality product with ongoing reliable deliveries with our fantastic customer support and service, Apex Dynamics is who you can rely on.
Well, thank you, Andrew, for the explanation that you give. It's very obvious that there is a lot more to find out, but that package that you offer is clearly of value. So if you'd like to find out more about Apex Dynamics and the products that they could provide for you, follow the link below. Thanks very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.